Hello guys, welcome sa ating channel. So ayan na naman, free sale na naman tayo ng Oni token at ng syempre yung Spear, no? So ano nga ba yung Spear guys? Oni Spear. So sa digital nodes in the Onidex ecosystem that let user earn passive income. So passive income naman talaga kapag nodes guys. Okay? So by purchasing Spear Access Key NFT, you can activate a Spear and receive a daily share of the platform's revenue in cryptocurrencies like Oni, BNB, ETH, and Gala, no? So ano ba yung mga benefits neto? Meron tayong profit sharing, earn 20% of Onidex profits in a year, no? And then syempre decreasing yon in later years. And then gaming revenue, Spear also earn from Oni's play to earn games. So any play to earn games na lalabas na hawak ng Omni is meron kang share dun guys, no? So limited supply. So only 30,000 keys available with prices starting at 1 BNB increasing over time. So dito naman sa website, andito naman yung pinaka Omni token guys. Main sale natin, ayan, no? So buy Oni 114,616 USD na or 67.45%, and then yung next goal no. So 332 participant na ang meron tayo. Listing price is 0.001 BNB. Medyo kamahalan pa rin yun guys, no? So kung bibili ka via BNB, click mo lang yan, okay? And then connect mo lang yung MetaMask wallet mo guys. Kagaya sa atin, i-connect mo lang yung MetaMask wallet. So secure your stake in the future of decentralized finance with our exclusive Oni token main sale. The initial offering is your opportunity to be a part of the groundbreaking ecosystem designed to revolutionize DeFi Launchpad, trading, staking, gaming, and social engagement. Don't miss the chance. Invest innovation and grow with Onidex from ground up. Yeah, so kung gusto nyo bumili guys, ito na yung price natin from BNB, Gala, and ETH. Okay? So utility, NFT mint. Ayan yun guys, no? Secure your Onidex benefits. Owning Oni NFT provides exclusive DEX bonuses, mint price increase after every 250 minutes. So right now, current price is 0.07 BNB. And then ang next price noon is 0.08 BNB guys. So remaining before price increase is 244. So yun yung una natin. Total is 0.07. So drop chance, merong basic 50%, rare 30%, epic 15%, and then the legendary is 5% guys. Okay, so you will see your balance right here after you purchasing any of this NFT or yung mismong Oni token guys. So main Spear, check natin. So buy Spear, check natin to. Oni Spear receive daily Oni BNB each Gala plus platform earnings. Earn tokens from every P2E game we release. So yun ang pinakamalupit dito guys. Your profit grows with Onidex, the biggest ROI in the industry. So if you want to buy that, ito yun guys. Choose the amount of the Spears access you want to buy. Access key and operate one Spear node. First 1,000 Spear are locked by 1 BNB price. After that, Spear price will increase by 0.1 BNB per 100 Spear sold guys. Okay, starting price, syempre 1 BNB, current price 1 BNB. Next price niya tataas na, no? So 1.1 BNB na. Okay, so yun yung ating key Spear na NFT. So game Spear, so check natin kung meron na ba to. No, so biggest buy in competition. Ayan, may mga bumibili talaga guys, oh. Total buy 51 BNB, 44.20 BNB guys. Ayan. So we establish a top 10 biggest buy in competition for all pre-sale participants with a price pool of prox 50,000 USD, no, in Omni by 0.005 BNB price. This is our way for rewarding those who recognize the immense potential before others and have made a significant contribution to success of the Omni Exchange ecosystem. There you go guys. So NFT market, so incoming pa yan. So lottery, live, and then the launch pool, Launchpad guys. Okay, this is the Launchpad affiliate program. Farms, also available right here. Omni Farms. Soon to be open, and then also available the leaderboard guys. Okay, if you want to join the Telegram, just click the Telegram guys. They have only beyond DeFi 2,284 members, no? So check natin. And then syempre meron din ditong white paper guys na pwede nyong puntahan. So roadmap, ayan. So roadmap guys, Step 1, Oni token and NFT pre-sale. Step 2 is the mainnet launchpad on BSC and Gala chain with exclusive airdrop. No? So more chain added, Solana, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Polygon. Step Force, Play to Earn Games Launch, and Onidex Task Rewards, Onitalk VIP Membership, Sale Launch. Ayan. So, NFT Marketplace Launch and NFT Launchpad and Collection Creator, Aggressive CAX Token Listing and Marketing, guys. Okay, so yun yung ating Oni.exchange. So, guys, so yun yung pinaka-roadmap nila at ating aabangan yun, no? Kasi nga, mukhang malupitan talaga itong Oni Exchange natin. Lalo na yung Kino, na sobrang lupit na ito. No, yung utility NFT, ayan, isa na to. And then syempre yung pinaka main spear, guys. No, napakalupit na ito. No, dito pa lang, earn tokens from every P2E games we release. Solid. So before purchasing spear access keys, make sure you have enough BNB available in your MetaMask wallet, guys, or any wallet na gagamitin mo dito. So yun lang muna for today's video. Bigyan ko naman ng isang magandang isang node, no, na passive income para sa ating channel. So maraming salamat again, Hasi. Bye bye.